Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. It's a sharp 2016 Toyota RAV4 Limited. It's the Barcelona red metallic in color. It does have the technology package. So you're going to have your panoramic camera, which has got 4 cameras, shows you like an overhead shot, backup sensors. Got the 18-inch wheel, aluminum wheels with some new Hankook tires. It's got automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights. Got your front camera, front sensors. It's got collision avoidance system. It'll slam on the brake for you if you don't, if you run up on someone too quick. All these features can be turned off. It's got lane departure warning system, steering assist, where it'll actually steer you back in the middle. It's a 1-owner clean Carfax, local trade, non-smoker. It does have remote engine start. Passive key, you just walk up with the key fob, you can unlock it or lock it. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the blind spot monitor system. Someone's in your blind spot, this will flash orange. Got some nice 2-tone leather seats. They are heated, light new condition. It's got the WeatherTech all-weather floor mats, leather wrapped steering wheel. Got push start. You just put your foot on the brake, push this button, and there it goes. It's got low miles, 37,936. Got all your trip computer, outside temperature, lots of different controls. Compass, lane departure, and so on. Got your audio control and steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. You can hit this and it'll be Siri. There's your trip computer, cruise control. There's a collision avoidance. Let me see here what radar ready. It's got the adaptive cruise control. That is cool. I did not know that, but yeah, it does have it. So you can set the cruise and set the distance in front of you, and even though you've got it set on 70, if someone comes in front of you or slows down, the car will slow down, keep a specific distance. Nice. That's an expensive option. Got front rear wiper control. There's your automatic headlights. It should be set on auto. Alright, we've got the touch screen. It's got XM satellite radio. It is activated now. I can't guarantee you I'll stay very long because previous owner will probably swap it out. You got all these apps, traffic, weather. These things you have to subscribe, but navigation system. This is what's really cool. It's a camera, as you can see, shows you all around the car. See, I'm backing up. You can see the parking lot moving. Not going forward, but anyway. Good safety feature. It's got dual climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own temperature. You can sync it. There's your heated seat control, eco mode, sport mode, USB auxiliary, 12-volt. Automatic transmission. Got some storage. I do have both keys. Owner's manual. Original window sticker about $34,754. It's a tremendous saving considering it's just like new. You've got your automatic dimming rearview mirror, compass, universal garage door opener, power moonroof, one touch button. Well, there we go. And then you got your shade. Very nice, comfortable cockpit. As always, Toyota's nice quality product. Everything feels good, drives good, reliable. Just great vehicle. Got quite a bit of leg room back here for this size SUV. And the back seat lays down forward for some extra cargo space. Get nice wheels with a brand new set of tires. Get your power lift gate. You push and hold this button. Oh, there's a button also on the lift gate. Get your hands full of grocery. You can push the button. Boom. Lots of space. Get your cargo shade. These are very roomy. About a spare. Nice. You can feel the quality when you shut the door. This would get you 30 miles per gallon too. Not bad for a vehicle this size. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, but it feels like a 6-cylinder. It's got plenty of power. Nice clean engine compartment. Been serviced. Everything works like it should, no issues. Also, you get the remainder of the factory warranty from Toyota, which is 5 years, 60,000 miles on the powertrain. I can sell you an extended warranty. Looking for a sharp SUV, in light new condition with all the buttons at an affordable price, this should do it. To see if this RAV4 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website, so you can fill that out and I'll get to work for you, see what I can do. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.